Rina, EFF, le MK, le ANC, and all progressive forces, ha re combine dinomoro tsa rona, we are 70% in parliament.
Kungani ANC ingakhethanga ukusebenzisana namaqembu amnyama okanye aholwa ngabamnyama epolitiki abezokwenza ukuthi ke babe u70% weGNU yabo bese ke bebhekana no29% okuzobe ke kuyiDA? Kubuza ke umnumzane Julius Malema ethula inkulumo yakhe njengoba iqembu leEFF libungaza u11 years laba khona. Angubingelele ngwamkelele channel eMasweti Mina Production, umxolisi wakadloma kubingelelayo. Mangabe yaqala ukufika ngicela ukuthi ngenzele iqiniso lo subscribe, mawuqeda ubale video ushawa like bese uyakhomenta kulolu daba lwanamhlanje. Nganza kwethu namanje umnumzane Julius Malema usahluleka ukunderstand ukuthi kungani ANC ikhethe ukusebenzisana neqembu leDA yawashiya wonke lawa amanye amaqembu. Uthe mayibala ngomlomo wakhe wathi EFF umkhonto wesizwe nawo wonke lawa amanye ke amaqembu aholwa ke ngabamnyama wangabe behlanganiswa bakhipha u70% eParliament, obuzowenza ukuthi ke babe neGovernment of National Unity bese belwa okanye bebhekana no29% ebekuzoba kungoweqembu leDA ebeka ke lenkulumo yakhe. Uthi ke ANC kanye ke noRamaphosa ibona ke okanye izona zinto njengamanje ezihlakaza umuntu omnyama, izona zinto esingafuni ukubona umuntu omnyama ehlangene. Ngicela nje ukuthi uyizwele ngawakho mangabe usuqedile ungenzele isiqiniseko sokuthi ucofa subscribe ya like bese uyakhomenta sidibane kwivideo landelayo. Ngiyabonga.
Rina, EFF, le MK, le ANC, and all progressive forces, ha re combine dinomoro tsa rona, we are 70% in parliament. Why is the ANC not opting for progressive organization with a 70% and fight against this 29% of the moonshot? Because the moonshot is a fight against black people. Let black people unite. We are going to fight GNU. GNU is the enemy of our people. Ramaphosa is the enemy of our people. The ANC sold out the people of South Africa. That's why this GNU must fall. We must fight it everywhere. Everywhere where we go, we must tell them we reject GNU, we reject the ANC, we reject the DA. We want the government of the people. The people of South Africa said, let all black people, progressive organizations have 70%. Why is the ANC at the center of destroying the unity of black people? It's clear this ANC has been a project of whites.